Saudi Arabia uses weaponized law to sentence 4 men to death in unfair trial. The 4 men were trialed by the Specialized Criminal Court, SCC, and were accused of participating in a terrorist cell as well as having traveled to Iran to train with this military. During the trial the men were also accused of planning to assassinate prominent personalities, manufacture explosives and conduct bombings in the kingdom. The rulings come just days after a report by the UN Special Rapporteur on his mission to Saudi Arabia which highlighted that an anti-terror law passed by Riyadh in 2014 has been used as a weapon by the state. The UN report said, far from a gradual modernization and improvement of the human rights situation that the government is keen to portray internationally, the true picture seems to be that Saudi Arabia is backsliding into ever more severe political repression. A lengthy section details the use of the death penalty following manifestly unfair trials. The men reportedly used a tourist office to arrange their travel to Iran. During the trial it was said the men trained with weapons and explosives to fight in the streets, according to local media. They were also accused of planning to recruit others to participate. The terror law allows for the prosecution of a person as a terrorist if they perform any act that is directly or indirectly intended to disturb the public order of the state, or to destabilize the security of society, or the stability of the state, or to expose its national unity to danger, or to suspend the basic law of governance or some of its articles, or to insult the reputation of the state or its standing, or to inflict damage upon one of its public utilities or its natural resources. The first person convicted under the law was human rights lawyer Walid bin Sami Abu al-Khair. According to the UN Special Rapporteur, the law is so expansive that the types of activity that fall under its scope include anything from insulting officials within the monarchy to disrespecting the legal profession. In one case a Sunni Muslim was prosecuted for criticizing the Sunni leaders for being prejudiced against Shiites. In most cases the SCC trials are shrouded in secrecy. The rapporteur added that trials go ahead in the absence of a defense attorney for the accused. Also the UN investigator cited broadly consistent reports he had received of torture, coerced confessions and solitary confinement for detainees.